Apart from foggy conditions this morning along the Namaqualand coastline, it's going to be a beautiful day along the coastline of South Africa. Fog patches initially along the eastern escarpment could be associated with some drizzle, but the main source of rain today will be thunderstorms over the central interior. Here's a look at our rainfall probabilities: a 20% chance of drizzle along the escarpment in Limpopo, scattered thunderstorms over the far eastern parts of the Northern Cape and the Western Free State, while isolated thunderstorms are possible over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape and on the Highveld as well. Daytime temperatures could exceed 30 degrees in parts of the Western and Northern Cape. Cape Town just short of 30 at 29, 34 degrees in Vredendal and Uppington at a high of 32. Cooler though in Bethlehem with a maximum of 22. Lovely warm conditions along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline with highs up to 26, and Pretoria warming up to a pleasant 25. Foggy conditions this morning will result in cooler weather along the Namaqualand coastline. There's an open ocean swell of 2 meters with a southwesterly direction and very light onshore winds in the forecast. It's actually going to be quite warm in Langebaan and the southwestern coastal areas today. Wind speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour in False Bay, but the Atlantic seaboard with a southwesterly sea breeze up to 20 kilometers per hour. Slightly stronger winds towards Cape Agulhas up to 30 kilometers per hour, and there's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. Along the Southern Cape coastline, similar swells up to 2.5 meters. The easterly winds up to 20 kilometers per hour, reaching 25 kilometers per hour in Algoa Bay this afternoon. For the East Coast, we're expecting northeasterly winds up to 25 kilometers per hour, could even become slightly stronger towards the late afternoon, with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters and low tide just before 11:15 this morning.